in this video, we'll talk about how to host your own website, WordPress, to your own computer, and how to link your purchase domain to your host computer, and then you add SSL certificate, which is free to your computer. Okay. So first you need to download the xampp to your computer. I will write down all the link to my description so you can find the link over there. Okay. So we select xampp for Windows to download. Okay. After download, let's install it. It will pop up a warning message. To It's about the user account control. You will see you can uh, disable this one. Uh, I will make another video for how to disable that. So you just save to ignore it and go to next. We only need the patch and the Microsoft MySQL and go to next. The default folder is xampp. Using that one, English, and go to next. It will start in installation. And during the installation, we need to change our IP address, local IP address to static. So the website, the domain always find my IP address. Okay. So we right click the internet icon and go to network and internet settings. Go to property. And from here, you can see the IP assignment is automatically. We edit it manually, enable IPv4 and the IP address. We need to put the IP address. So in order to get all the data we need to insert here, we will click Start and click CMD to open the command line. Okay. So we will using the command ipconfig. Okay. So we get all the information here. Our current IP address is 1.246. We will use a different one, easy to remember. And the submask is here, okay? So we using the same value here. And the gateway is here, okay? DNS server gateway, okay? So we're using the same value here. Okay? All the others we keep no change. And we click save. It will change my private IP to static IP. And after that, we need point our public IP to my private IP. To do that, you need to log in to your router, which is IP address is similar 1.1, okay? We sign in, and go to security, app and gaming, and single port forwarding. Okay. Here we need to add two record. One is we just used for 80. Oh, here we change the name. That this is the name. We say web. Okay. We add it and add another one is for SSL. The port number is 443, and both. Okay. The IP address is the one we just set as a static IP. Okay. So we click apply, and now we forward public IP to our local IP. Okay. Now we need to find our public IP. Okay. Just using my IP. Okay. Search my IP and you will get your local IP, public IP address. We copy this one and then we go to the GoDaddy and select my registered domain, which is mskeys.ca, and then we go to the DNS setting of that. Okay. So the DNS setting, the A record, we need to add it. Everything keeps default, and the value we need using the my public IP, which is my IP address here. Oh, okay. 139.142. Okay. So here I already input the current correct value. The TTL are using half hour. Okay. Click save. Let's see my website. Okay. mskeys.ca. Now it cannot find my website because we didn't finish the installation of xampp. Okay. So we need to click finish the installation and it will pop up another window. So we need to start my Apache. Okay. And also start my SQL. Okay, now let's refresh my website. See, it's successful find my local computer, but here is that not secure. Okay, so we need to install SSL license for that. I found a free license. It's 0 SSL, I think. It's a free SSL certificate. Okay, you just get your free SSL from here and download your SSL. Okay, so I already downloaded it, which is here. It's include the 3 files. Okay, so we need to copy all the 3 files to my WordPress folder. Okay, not WordPress folder, the xampp folder. It is installed in my C drive, xampp, and from here, we need to find the Apache folder. Okay, config. Now we create a new folder. Name is as SSL, and then we paste the three files here. Okay, which we download from 0SSL. Now we need to do some setting to enable our license. Okay, so to do that, we need to go to the control panel of xampp. Okay, so let's configure it first to automatically start it and save first. And then we will choose the config of Apache. Okay, we find the httpd ssl.config. Wait a moment. Let me also change it using Notepad. Okay, because the Notepad plus plus is good for the editing. Now let's go back to here again. Okay, so you can see the different color. It's blocked. Okay, so we need to find the virtual host 443 and change the setting here, which should be my web domain name. Okay, and here we do nothing, don't need to change anything. And then we go to the private key. Okay, so this one, it should be the my private key. Okay, so that's a certificate file. We should use in the certificate. Okay, let's copy it and paste to here. And then the folder, we just create a different folder. Okay, and for this one, we need using dot key. Okay, dot key is a private. So the name we copy it and change that to private. And the folder. Okay, so another file we need to change is this one. Okay, it's command, so we need to delete the number mark and enable it. And the file we should use in the same one, not the same one, the same format. Okay, so we erase this one, and the name we should use in the CA bundle. Okay, okay, now we can save it. And after we save it, we need to restart the Apache. Okay, so we stop and start. Now let's go back to my website again. Okay, refresh it. Let me see. Oh, there is error message. Um, Shut down. Okay. Let me go back to the configuration. Okay. So here is mskey.com. That's correct. Log. That's correct. Oh, not .com. .ca. My domain name is .ca. That's the reason. So let's restart my Apache again. Any other setting I need? Maybe I need to close the program and restart the program. Okay. Same thing. Let me go back to here again. Config SSL certificate. Oh, here is not key. Ah, that's the reason. CRT. Okay, let's save it and try to restart it. It's running. Okay, so be careful. You input the correct file name here. Okay, so let's restart it. It's still showing no security. Okay, let me try to use in a private browser. Maybe the cache is not clear. So let's see mskeys.ca. Okay, now it's secured. Okay, you can see the connection is secured. Okay, so that's how you set up your local computer and using a free SSL license. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Bye.